Welcome to EstateFlow. When you create an account and log in, you will be taken to your dashboard. This is your command center. Here you can find a support chat window for help when you need it, a getting started guide, and a list of your most recent estate sale jobs. Let's dive in and explore EstateFlow. The first thing you want to do is set your company info in your workspace settings. This is your official company name, mailing address, phone number, logo, and branding color. You also will want to set your default estate sale fees. These will be used for post-sale reporting. To sync your inventory with your Square point-of-sale system, simply connect your Square account in your workspace settings. Once connected, any inventory you upload to EstateFlow will automatically sync with your Square checkout, so everything stays up to date without extra work. You can easily invite team members to your workspace by adding their work email address. They will receive an invite to join your team. Their access will be based on the role you assign to them. You're now ready to start your first estate sale job. To add a new client, enter the details for your client's estate, including their full name, contact information, address, and any notes you'd like to save for later. Be sure to double-check the email address, as it will be used to send the welcome email and contract. Once the job is created, you'll be taken to the new client view to continue with the next steps. In the new client view, you can review and confirm that your client's information is accurate. When you're ready, you can optionally send a welcome email. This email includes a form that collects additional details from your client while introducing them to your company, adding a professional touch. Once the form is completed, the client's responses will appear in the side panel for you and your team to review. When you're ready to move forward, schedule a walkthrough date. This will advance the job to the next phase for the walkthrough and contract preparation. Once your walkthrough is complete and your client is ready to move forward, you have 3 options. You can sign the contract outside of EstateFlow and skip directly to inventory, upload a signed contract for tracking and audit purposes, or use the built-in e-sign feature to send the contract for signature automatically. To save time in the future, you can create a contract template. Simply upload your contract to PDF, add signature fields for both you and your client, and click Save Template. Once you're back in the contract panel, select your template and click Send. The contract will be sent to your client first. After they sign, you'll receive an email prompting you to complete your signature. You can track the status in the Contract Sent view. Once all parties have signed, the job will automatically move to the contract sign stage. The client will receive an email prompting them to review and sign the contract. Once they've completed their signature, you'll receive an email to add yours. After both parties have signed, a final copy of the fully executed contract will be emailed to everyone, and the job will move to the contract signed stage in preparation for cataloging. Now you're ready to inventory the house. You have 2 options. You can take photos on your own, export them to your desktop, and bulk upload them, or you can download our mobile app and take photos directly using the built-in camera. As you take photos, our vision engine automatically generates titles, descriptions, categories, and even suggests a starting price. Here, we're capturing images of several household items using the iOS app. As you can see, the item details populate automatically with minimal effort from the cataloger. You can review and edit pricing and details either in the mobile app or later on the desktop. This saves hours of manual research and item lookup. Once you've finished inventorying the house, switch back to the desktop to review everything, print barcode labels, and sync your inventory with your Square account. When you switch to the web application, you can continue adding items from your desktop, review items uploaded by your team in the field, and validate or adjust pricing. Our deep research feature looks up comparable items online to give you insight into what similar items are selling for. You can use this information to adjust pricing, stick with the suggested price, or rely on your own expertise. Every estate sale is unique, and we found that operators often have the best judgment when it comes to pricing. Suggested prices are meant to be a helpful starting point, not a final decision. Once you're satisfied with your inventory, you can mark the inventory stage as complete and begin preparing for the sale. Once your inventory is complete, the job will move to the pre-sale review phase. Here, you can review your projected earnings based on your item pricing. This estimate assumes 100% sell-through at full price, so it represents a best-case scenario. Many operators offer discounts such as 50% off on the second day and 75% off on the final day, so use this as a top-line estimate. In this view, you can first download a full inventory report with or without prices to share with your client, giving them a complete overview of what will be offered for sale. Next, you can print an inventory sheet for your team to use on the floor during the sale, helping them stay organized and easily reference items. Finally, you can print barcode labels if you plan to use them. Each label includes a unique SKU that syncs with your Square account and can be scanned using the Square barcode scanner. When you're ready to begin, click Start Sale to sync your inventory with your Square account and get set up for checkout. After the sale is complete, you can download a post-sale report to share with your client or keep for your records. You can also explore deeper insights from the sale, along with a high-level view of your business over time. The analytics page gives you a clear snapshot of performance, helping you understand both the sale and your overall growth.